Welcome back, guys. Today we have this absolute beast in the garage, a gorgeous matte black Mercedes-AMG. It's in for a comprehensive major servicing to restore its raw power and peak performance. First, we pop the hood open to get a look at this beautiful engine. We'll begin by carefully disassembling the upper engine bay cosmetic covers and plastic trim panels to gain full access to the heart of this machine. With the top side prepped, we lift this monster up on the ramp. Safety first, always. Now, using our impact wrench, we quickly spin off the heavy-duty underbody protective shields to expose the oil pan. And now for the most satisfying part of any service, draining the old, worn-out engine oil. Just look at how pitch black that is. We'll let it drain completely to ensure no dirty residue is left behind. While the oil is draining, we tackle the oil filter housing. Out goes the old clogged filter and the flattened rubber O-ring, replaced immediately with a fresh, high-flow filter and a lubricated new seal. Moving back to the top side, we begin disconnecting the ignition coil wiring harness. We have to be extremely gentle here, as engine heat can make these plastic clips incredibly brittle over time. Using a specialized magnetic spark plug socket, we carefully extract the old spark plugs. Inspecting the tips of these old plugs is crucial, as they tell us exactly how healthy the combustion chamber is. After gapping our brand new high-performance spark plugs, we hand thread and torque them in. Next, the ignition coils go back on, ensuring we hear that solid, reassuring click on every single cylinder. Now let's open up the massive dual air filter boxes. Over time, they trap a shocking amount of dirt. We vacuum out the debris inside the housing, slide in our clean premium MANN air filters. But we're not just looking after the engine. We care about the cabin air quality too. We're replacing the outer cabin filter located right under the cowl panel to keep the incoming air fresh and allergen-free. Now for the liquid gold. We slowly pour in fresh, premium-grade AMG-approved synthetic engine oil. This high-performance engine demands the absolute best lubrication to withstand extreme heat and RPMs. With the oil filled, we double-check all of our topside connections. We plug all the electrical sensors back in and securely tighten the high-pressure turbocharger intake pipes and clamps. To wrap things up, we hook up our professional diagnostic scanner. This allows us to run a complete system health check, reset the service intervals, and monitor the battery's voltage levels. Finally, we bolt down the structural brace bars, snap the iconic AMG engine cover back in place, and fire her up. She purrs like a kitten and roars like a beast. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button.